I'm diving into Python, the most popular programming language for artificial intelligence. Whether you're a beginner or just exploring AI, this is your perfect starting point. Let's get started. First, let's look at Python basics. It's a beginner-friendly language with simple syntax. Variables store data, like numbers or text. Data types include integers, floats, strings, and booleans. With loops, I can automate tasks, using for or while. Functions let me reuse code and keep it organized. And conditionals like if-else help me make decisions in code. Python also has powerful built-in data structures that are essential in AI. Lists store ordered data, great for collections. Dictionaries hold key-value pairs, perfect for mapping data. Sets store unique values, useful for eliminating duplicates. Tuples are like lists but immutable, meaning their values can't change. AI in Python is powered by some amazing libraries. NumPy is used for numerical computations and working with arrays. Pandas makes data manipulation and analysis easy, especially for working with CSV and Excel files. These tools help me process massive datasets quickly and efficiently. Next is data visualization, an important part of AI workflows. Matplotlib helps create graphs and plots like line charts, bar graphs, and histograms. Seaborn builds on Matplotlib and makes statistical plotting easier and more beautiful. With these, I can see patterns and trends clearly in my data. And that's a quick introduction to Python for AI. Ready to dive deeper? Subscribe to SV Tech Campus and join me in our upcoming Python and AI tutorials. See you in the next video.